Welcome to a short tutorial on how to use Google Forms for bell work or exit slips or any other short pieces of data collection in the classroom. First, we're going to start with creating a Google form. And in this scenario, I'm going to name this one example 2. I'm going to use a theme. I'm not going to require a login. And I'm not going to ask a question of gathering any identifying information because I just want to look at the general classroom's view of what they learned for the day. So I'm going to go ahead and add some multiple choice questions in. I'm going to give them a couple options. And you can keep going as far as you would want with your possible answers. You can continue this by saying done and then adding more questions if you like. I'm just going to do the one question for this example. At the bottom, you can put in, after they submit a response, a message back to them. And next step would be to view the live form and then share this with your students and have them answer a couple. So I'm going to come in here, answer a bunch of them so we have some data to look at. Now I'm going to come back to my Google Drive folder, and you'll see here's example 2, and this is what we created with our one question. Up at the top, it's saying that there are 6 responses that we're still accepting. So I'm going to click on this, and now we are currently not accepting responses. I can view responses, which will take me to our Google spreadsheet that has a recording of all of our answers. But this is still, if there's 30 of these, it might be hard to gather some information. So back on our Google form, if I go to responses and I say show summary of responses, it will automatically collect the data, and it's showing here that 50% answered red, 33% answered blue, 0 answered green, 1 answered black. And it's just a really good way of judging where your students are at, whether it's some sort of pre-survey going into a unit, an exit slip at the end of the day just to see what the class is learning. But there's some really great ideas as far as easy, fast, efficient data collection that's available.